What if you could launch your IT career with zero experience and no college degree and do it 100% online for free? Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful opportunities to break into tech, the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. Designed by Google and hosted on Coursera, this beginner-friendly program puts you on the fast track to an in-demand career in IT support. Over 1.7 million learners have already enrolled, and for good reason. Right now, there are over 295,000 IT support jobs open across the U.S., with a median starting salary of $65,000. And you don't need a degree or prior tech experience to get started. The Google IT Support Certificate is your gateway to mastering practical, job-ready skills. You'll learn how to build and manage computer networks, troubleshoot tech issues, and even install hardware and software. By the end, you'll be fluent in Linux, DNS, command line tools, and more. This certificate now includes 6 brand new videos focused on integrating artificial intelligence into your workflow. Learn how to automate tasks, streamline documentation, identify security risks, and deliver faster, smarter support with AI. When you complete the program, you'll unlock direct job opportunities with Google and over 150 U.S. companies, including Target, Deloitte, and Verizon. It also prepares you for the CompTIA A+ certification, giving you a dual credential that employers value. 75% of graduates say they saw a positive career move, whether that's landing a job, getting a raise, or scoring a promotion, within just 6 months of finishing the program. Earn a certificate from Google, gain real-world skills, and start building a future-proof career in one of the fastest-growing fields. So what are you waiting for? Your new career starts now. Click the special link in the description to enroll in the Google IT Support Professional Certificate and begin your journey today. For more free online courses, articles, and career-building resources, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to take the next step in their career. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the success as you begin your journey into the world of IT.